So hello everyone. Today what we are going to do, we are going to cover one of the type of the decomposition, 1:1 order decomposition. As you remember in our previous session, we have talked about what is decomposition when we are breaking down order to the simpler part using fulfillment request line items or FRLs, we can say it, and how what are the different type of decomposition which we need to understand. 1:1 decomposition, 1:1 decomposition, and M:1 decomposition or product class based decomposition. Now today we are focusing on 1:1 decomposition, and moreover into to understand that how what are the use of conditions, how do we use mapping rules like listing, static, or ad verbatim. So we are going for live example, or we are going through some uh, how to make these list and static values, and we'll show some examples as well. So let's go to our real scenario right now. Let's say this is our commercial product, so I'm highlighting that commercial product which consists of home hub modem, and it's having grade as an attribute. Now once I select something from the grade as an attribute, let's say good, better, or best, these are the three attribute pick list value from the grade, then depending on that, this technical product mapping has to map it. So which is one of the exercise which we are going to do it. Now if you move forward, what else we are going to do, we are going to understand that how to map attribute and field value, and how to do the conditional case. So MACD will come on later part of the exercise, but let's do and understand how we are doing this mapping part. So we'll go to our Salesforce application. We are going to go for products. So if you remember, we were having modem hub as a product. Modern modem is getting decomposed to home hub 2000 CFS destination product was there, and this is one of the mapping. So this is the mapping rule where we do the mapping. Now in previous exercise we have done add verbatim. So today exercise, what we are going to do, add verbatim means whatever the attribute you are selecting or field you are selecting, that is getting mapped. So let's say previously we have selected attribute, now we'll select some field. So you will get some field, you will say next. Now what are the values of fields, what are the different order line items field value which you can take it from here. So let's say what I'll do, I will create one duplicate. Let's say we'll go for orders. We'll create one order here, demo 07, account name demo account, order start date today, save it. Meanwhile it's saving. So what I'm going to tell you, that these are the values from where you can take the uh, field value. So if suppose you are having order line item, you can take the path as well. So if you say order item, if I'll go back here, so let's say what I'm going to do, I'm going back to my order ID. So I just went to order ID, and let's say I wanted to pass some order value which are displaying here. So let's say if I go back here, what are the values are displaying here? Order type is there. So what are the values getting displayed as an order type? Let's say this is a sales order. Okay, so we'll send this value, let's say order type, to our destination. So I just came here. Now I just wanted to see whether my order type value. So if you see, there are several values which you can send from your, this is the order type. So this is my order, to order type. Now I am mapping this value to my technical product. Okay, so the source product, this is a field, and this is I am sending this destination attribute. Now what I'll do, I will save it. Sorry, this is save condition. Now I will go back to my order. I will configure my order. Now I have selected the price list. It should display me some product here. Yeah. Now I will selecting as modem. Wait. B2C price list. Adding to the cart. Now, if you remember, whatever the value I'm selecting from the grade, it does not matter. Reason being, I have mapped my, I have mapped something here of my original orders type. So what I have did, I have selected some order values here, which is getting sent to my technical product. So there's nothing matter which is as terms of the grade, okay. So right now what I'll do the decompose of order, and let's see what will the value will come. So that is not working. So what I have done it, I have changed the source field, and if you see right now, I have changed the path, and I have taken order ID and then order ID to order number for this one right now. So we'll create one order. So we'll go to order, new, quickly create an order. Okay. 8 account, order start date, draft, save, configure. To see modem, add, decompose. So if you see right now, the value of the order number is coming here. So this is the way where we can do the change to the field. Now what I will do, I will delete this one. I will create a new mapping rule. We'll put some static. Demo 001. Next, technical attribute, save. Okay, so we are sending some static value to that particular attribute. Data is saved. We'll go again order. We'll create a new demo 9 order start date, save to see price list. Order, and we'll decompose it again. So if you see right now, demo 001 static value is coming. So these are the few things which I wanted to show you. I'll go again back. Now I will put one conditional data here. Okay. And the single condition which says the product. These are the things where you can do it. Source product attribute. If my grade save option. These are the different operators which you can put it. If you look at right now, we are having good, so only for good this is going to work. Okay, apart from good it will not going to work. So I'll go again, I'll go to my order, new order will create it. Now if I'll place it, configure it as a good, it should come. So we'll decompose it. Meanwhile time it's decomposing. I will create another order, demo 11. So see right now it's coming, yet it come. What I am, and if it is better, the decomposition should not work. So or we can create another decomposition and put that value there. So we'll decompose this one. Now this has to come. So see, this is getting decomposed right now. All right, now this one is happening right now. This will not be decomposed. So these are the two difference where what we can do it, if you put some conditional data here, like I have kept it, the source product attribute is grade equal to good, then you are doing the decomposition. So this is the decomposition happening. If it is not, then it is not happening. See, the grade is better, it is not happening. Now what else we can do it? We can go back here now. um, so what I will do, I will go to source product, I'll go to related. Now I can create another relation here. Okay, hub to 3000. This is 3000 CFSs. Okay, now I'll save it. Okay, now I'll put a condition here. Single condition, product type, single product attribute, if internet category, this select option equals to best. All right, and I will create a new rule here, static, just putting best. Best, next, technical attributes, save it, save the condition. We'll create a new order then. Now I'm going to configure the order. Price list, modem, add to cart, configure, and I'm saying best. Now if you realize that best, at the best time, the decomposition should happen to the 3000 CFS product. So let's see. So see right now this is happening to the 3000 CFS product. So if you're having this, it is happening to 2000 CFS, otherwise it is happening to the 3000 CFS product. So there are different way where we can see it is also coming grade as the best and best. We could have changed that one to something else value, but right now I'm not able to change that value. But so these are the different ways where we can utilize the conditions and the mapping rule to send the data to the CFS systems.